If you want your new hotel rooms to feel more premium than standard rooms, watch this complete Glems whole room dimming solution demo. Next, I will show you the wiring and control logic step by step. First, connect each lighting circuit, such as downlights, bar lights, and mirror lights. These are usually spotlight circuits. Then we also connect the TV background light strip, the bedside background strip, the ceiling light strip, and other decorative lighting. Each lighting circuit is connected back to the dimming control module. In other words, all room lighting circuits are centrally wired to the dimming module. The lighting side is now complete. Next question, how do we connect the wall switches? Glems uses RIS 485 bus wall panels for the SmartGuestRoom control system. Each wall panel only needs power and communication wiring. Then use an RIS 485 communication cable to connect the panel to the dimming module. If the project needs Shawak, Talgini, voice control, or centralized remote management, add a gateway controller. If voice control is not required, the gateway can be omitted. Now the lighting circuits and switch wiring are connected. Next, let us simulate the lighting scenes in a hotel guest room. First, insert the room card at the entrance, and the welcome lighting starts. The lights brighten gradually according to the preset program. Shawak can also play the welcome message automatically. This gives the guest a more premium check-in experience. Now I will demonstrate voice control. Shawak, Shawak. I am here. Turn on sleep mode. Okay. Shawak enters sleep mode as well. You can wake me up at any time. Shawak, Shawak. I am here. Turn on leisure mode. Okay. Shawak, Shawak. Yes. Set bright mode to 100%. Control successful. You can see bright mode adjusting from the current state to full brightness. Shawak, Shawak. Yes. Set bright mode to 50%. Control successful. Shawak, Shawak. Yes. Set bright mode to full brightness. Control successful. Shawak, Shawak. I am here. Set bright mode to the lowest brightness. Control successful. Next are scene modes. We configured several scenes for demonstration. Bright mode gradually adjusts the room from the current state to full brightness. Sleep mode gradually turns off all lighting circuits from the current state. Then the wall panel backlight turns off after a short delay. Leisure mode and warm mode can also be configured. These scene levels can be customized for the hotel project. We can also set whole room brightness levels, for example 0%, 25%, 50%, and 100%. Here is the 25% effect. That is the 25% lighting level. Now switch to 50%. Third, all lights can be dimmed by long pressing the wall panel. This is manual stepless dimming through a long press. For example, I press and hold the button. You can see the brightness changing gradually. When it reaches the brightness I want, I release the button, and it stays at that level. If I keep pressing again, it continues dimming until it turns off. The same control logic applies when dimming down. Long press, and you can see the brightness changing smoothly. When it reaches the target level, release the button. The light stops at the current brightness. Continue holding the button, and it will keep adjusting until the light turns off. If a single circuit needs individual dimming, we can configure it in the same way as whole room brightness control. Let me demonstrate with one light strip. Long press the switch, and the light strip gradually becomes brighter. If you keep holding the button, it will continue all the way to full brightness. The same applies when dimming down. Press and hold again, and it gradually dims until it turns off. Finally, let us talk about the question many hotel projects care about most: cost. You can compare this solution globally. As a manufacturer, we are confident in both cost and system capability. If you want to verify the solution, contact us at any time.